I recently tried installing Eyezy on an iPhone, expecting a seamless experience, but quickly ran into some hurdles. While the app claims to be user-friendly, it requires a few steps that might confuse first-time users. Plus, after installing it, I found that it doesn't offer the full suite of features I was hoping for. That's when I turned to Amobix, and let me tell you, it completely outperformed Eyezy in every way. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. The installation process for Eyezy on iPhone requires you to access the device physically, which isn't always ideal. You need to enable some settings, like trusting the app and disabling certain security features to make the installation smooth. While this might work for some, it can be a hassle if you're not tech-savvy or don't have direct access to the target phone. Once installed, Eyezy provides some monitoring features, like text and call tracking, but here's where it gets tricky. The app struggles to provide real-time updates and has limitations when it comes to monitoring social media apps. If you want to ensure full, real-time tracking with comprehensive monitoring, Eyezy falls short. On the other hand, Amobix is easy to install and gives you full control over your iPhone monitoring without the hassles. Here's why Amobix is the better option. Real-time tracking, get immediate updates on texts, calls, and location without delay, which Eyezy can't deliver. Comprehensive social media monitoring, track activity on Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, and more without restrictions. Eyezy doesn't provide full access to these platforms. Stealth mode, Amobix runs quietly in the background, making sure your monitoring stays hidden. Eyezy is more noticeable and can be easily detected by the user. Better support, Amobix offers superior customer service, available around the clock. Eyezy can be more difficult to get support from if you encounter issues. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more valuable tips and guides. In conclusion, if you want to get full control over your iPhone and ensure seamless monitoring, Amobix is hands down the better choice. The installation process is simple, and the features are far more advanced than Eyezy. Use the link in the description to try Amobix and unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses.